An update has been issued to the NotateMe app, upgrading it to 2.0, and it incorporates Photoscore into the app, and I'm going to show you how you could potentially use that with Sibelius today. You simply use the iPad's camera to take a picture of the score that you're wanting to notate, and the free version can only do one step at a time. And you can see it takes a small amount of time. I would say not necessarily much slower than the desktop version, but it's surprisingly accurate for how easy it is to do. And after it's finished, we'll just edit the score to go in and check some inaccuracies. I did notice with this little more complicated score here, there's a lot of time signature changes, and it did miss a few of those. But if you're interested, I'm capturing my iPad screen using the Reflection app on Mac, and I'll put that at the bottom of the screen if you're interested in going there and picking it up. I found it quite nice for recording the screen. After you're satisfied with the edit here, you go to Export and you can save it as an XML file. Now it'll tell you that you can access that from the iTunes sharing, and so we'll jump over to the Mac and the iTunes sharing. I'll save out that Photoscore to the desktop and then open it with Sibelius. Now, I'm not a big fan of letting Sibelius pick my instruments for me. I find I am more accurate in selecting my own instruments. And this was a trumpet part, so we made that into a trumpet. The free version of NotateMe isn't able to edit dynamics, crescendos, decrescendos, articulations, any sort of those things. So I just make sure the time signatures, the key signatures, and the notes themselves are accurate in NotateMe, and then when I jump over to Sibelius, I find it easier to edit all the other things that might not have gotten picked up. I've sped this up considerably, but you can get an idea. Oh, one more thing I noticed was that block rests aren't detected. There was a 2-measure rest in there that I had to insert later on. Overall, I haven't found this to necessarily be any faster or slower than doing recognition in Photoscore Ultimate for the Mac. It, had about the same mistakes and same amount of cleanup, but I'm sure if you're in a pinch or on the go, using the iPad's camera is certainly pretty awesome for getting things like this done. Well, feel free to leave a comment and subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.